In this video, I'll show you how to remove the PIN from your HP laptop. If you're tired of entering a PIN every time you log in and want to disable it, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, press the Windows button on your keyboard or click the Start menu. Then select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, click on Accounts from the left-hand menu. Step 2. In the Main Accounts menu, click on Your Info. Under the account settings, you'll see an option that says Sign in with a local account instead. Click on it to begin the process. Step 3. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to switch to a local account. To proceed, you'll need to verify your identity by entering your current Microsoft account password. Once you've entered it, click OK. Step 4. Next, you'll need to set up your local account. Choose a username, and if you don't want to use any password or PIN, leave the password fields blank. You'll still need to provide a password hint, so enter something simple and click Next. After that, click Sign Out and Finish. Once you sign back in, you'll notice that the PIN requirement is gone and you can log in without any authentication. Keep in mind, though, that removing the PIN leaves your laptop less secure, so make sure you're the only one using it. And that's it. You've successfully removed the PIN from your HP laptop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips.